Hi, Lou Manfredini, Ace's home expert, and in this video we're going to talk about the one-step finish of Danish Oil. Now, long before there was all these finishes that we put over wood, whether it's oil-based polyurethane or water-based urethanes, there was Danish Oil. Danish Oil is a blend of penetrating oils and stains and sealers that you put onto bare wood. It's a definite look, so it is kind of a hand-rubbed look that you achieve by using Danish Oil. If you're going to use it on previously stained or painted wood, it has to be completely sanded and smooth, and no old finish can be on there, because the idea behind the Danish Oil is that it penetrates on there. Comes in different colors. This is a natural finish that I'm going to be demonstrating in this video. So what you do is you got to shake the can really, really well, and then typically you pour it into a container, and then you brush it on, and you want to try and get an even finish, and then with a clean rag, wipe it off. The more coats you put on, the deeper the color. Now in this natural one, you see this is all we're going to get is that natural look to it. But because it's penetrating, it seals the wood, and it gives it a definite hand-rubbed look. This kind of product has been around for a very long time and will give you amazing results. Coming up next, speaking of finishes, a video on how to use shellac.